Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a Bolt account. So first you're going to go to the Bolt app. You guys can find it in the Play Store or App Store. Then they're going to tell us different ways to sign up. You guys could use your Apple account, your Google or Facebook. I personally chose my Apple account. You could also choose to share or hide your email. So next they're going to send a verification code via your number. So you're going to have to insert your phone number. So as you can see, we've created the account. This is how you do it. It's an easy tutorial. Make sure to also check our other videos. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.